Hi there. Is poor posture giving you neck pain, rounded shoulders, and stiff back? Today's gentle 15-minute chair yoga video will help you sit tall, improve mobility, and feel confident in your everyday movement. So grab a sturdy chair and let's begin. Sit tall, your feet grounded. Gently lift your shoulders upward towards your ear and gently release. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Move at your own pace. Don't force a stretch. Move your chin backwards. Pause. Repeat 10 times. Three breaths. Backwards. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 4. 5. 6. 3 more. Last 2. Move your shoulders up, backwards, and down. Up, backwards. Breathe. 4. 6. Last 3. Now alternate. Backwards, upward, down. Down. Backwards, upward, down. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Last 2. And 1. Hug yourself tightly with your right arm on top of the left arm. Lift your elbow and squeeze your shoulder blades. Three, 30 seconds. 5, 6. Release. Now have arms together. This time the left is over the right arm. Lift elbows and squeeze your shoulder blades tight. 30 seconds. One more time. This time the right is on top of the left. Elbow. Lift elbows up. Squeeze your shoulder tight. 10 counts. Release. Last one. Left arms on top of the right arm. Elbow raise. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Hold the back of your chair. Open your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Arch your spine, round your spine. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, last 3, 8, 9, 10. Sit up straight. Your left arm reach overhead, then lean gently sideways. Neutral. Alternate sides. Once more. And last one. Hold both sides of the chair and then rotate through your torso. Other side. side, and then let's do the alternate rotation. Alternate again. Don't forget to breathe. Last one. Lift both arms. Your right hand touching your left elbow, and then lean sideways. Neutral. This time, your left hand is touching the right elbow, and then lean on the other side. I'm sure you can feel the stretch on your right side. And then to center. Once again. Right hand touching the left shoulder. Center. Sit tall as you lift your right knee. Relax your shoulder and engage your core. The other one. Count 1 to 10. I'm sure it's burning, right? Last one. Sit on the edge of your chair, your legs upward and your heels, your toes are facing upwards as you slowly bend. Maybe this is all you can, and that's fine. Raise your hands on your thigh, close your eyes. Thank you so much for joining Everwell Chair Yoga today. Remember, move at your own pace. It's not about perfection, but it's progression.